Today I'm going to be unboxing the Boya Lavalier Microphone. This microphone is one of my favorite microphones, and I've been using this in many of my videos. So it features a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders, audio recorders, and PC. It's omnidirectional, which means it's multi-directional for a condenser microphone. It has a high-quality condenser and is ideal for video use. And of course, it's got low handling noise and includes a clip, an LR44 battery, and an adapter. So let's go ahead and unbox this microphone. Okay, there we go. Oh, cool. It also comes with a pouch, some instructions. Yeah, you've got two parts, one for cameras and one for smartphones. So for the smartphone, before you plug the microphone to your smartphone, you need to slide the switch to the off smartphone position. And when using the microphone, you do not need to slide the switch. That will actually save your battery. And let's see if we have any more. Okay, paperwork. Some instructions on how to use or mount the microphone to your clothing. How to use it with a smartphone. Great, so let's have a look at the mic. Awesome. You've got the clip. Okay. And there it is. That's for cameras and that's for smartphones. So if you're using a smartphone, you don't need to do anything. But if you're using a camera, you have to switch to cameras, and that's going to consume some of the battery. And if you stop using that, you have to turn it off to save the battery. And let's go ahead and set it up. Okay. That's the clip. There you go. So it's perfect. And let's see how it goes. So if I try it on myself, so it's going to look something like this. You can clip on the mic, and there you go. You can even hide it underneath your shirt so it doesn't show. But I have to take out my shirt for that, so maybe if I put it underneath like this, and all right. There. So it's kind of hidden and it looks good. Thank you for watching.